To insert a SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy M17e is simple. Now, luckily for us, the M17e does support two physical SIMs, so let's go ahead and insert them into the phone. The first step is to ensure that you have your SIM ejector tool, and then just simply turn your phone so that it's on its side, and you should be able to see the SIM tray. Go ahead and insert the ejector tool into the SIM tray hole, and then push down to eject the SIM tray. From here, use your fingers and just pull out the rest of the SIM tray, and you should be able to see where you can put your SIM cards. Now, putting your SIM cards is fairly simple. You need to put them with the metal part facing down, like so, and then just snap them into place. So let's go ahead and do the same for the second SIM card. Just put it in place and ensure that it's not moving too much. From here, just insert the SIM tray back into its port, like so. And give your phone a couple of seconds for it to detect the SIM cards have been successfully added. So once it's detected, you should be able to see SIM 1 and SIM 2. It's recognized both SIM cards. So you can just tap on next. And then it will ask you to set which SIM you would prefer for calls, which SIM you would prefer for messages, mobile data, and all sorts of things. Then you can be able to use the SIM cards on your Samsung Galaxy M17e. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.